Okay, today we're here to try these Walkers. Probably going to say this wrong. Ecclefechan Tarts. And on the back it had a instructions on heating, so I did heat it up. I took it out of the tin. Let's try it out. I think this one has walnuts or something in it. It's some kind of nut. It's also cherries, currants, and a few other things. This one actually kind of tastes more like a, even though it's very soft, kind of like a cookie. It's the top gets a little bit harder when you microwave it. Yeah, this one's good too. Or maybe this one tastes like a pie. An actual fruit pie, but with more substantial stuff in it. Try it out and you'll see what I mean. So I got this at World Market. They have a lot of foods and snacks from other countries. So I'm gonna give this one an A too. This is a really good one. So I'm gonna take another bite and I'll see you in the next one. Mm-hmm.